Welcome to our channel, where we dive into solving your cryptocurrency wallet sync issues, step by step for seamless transactions. Welcome to our channel. Let's walk through the essential steps to fix your cryptocurrency wallet sync issues efficiently first. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, since syncing requires constant data exchange. Clear your wallet app cache, and restart the application to remove temporary glitches next. Check if your wallet is updated to the latest version, as updates often include important fixes and network improvements. If syncing still fails, verify the blockchain network status on official sources to make sure it is not facing outages or maintenance. An important step is to review your device's date and time settings, because incorrect system time can cause synchronization errors. Now, if the problem persists, consider reindexing your wallet data, which allows the wallet to rebuild its blockchain. Some wallet apps have this feature built in under advanced settings. Otherwise, you can reinstall the wallet app after backing up your private keys securely during reinstallation. The wallet downloads a fresh copy of the blockchain data, which can resolve sync conflicts. Also, check your firewall or antivirus settings. They might be blocking wallet connections. Try temporarily disabling these or adding wallet apps to allowed exceptions. Another useful tip is to optimize your device's performance by closing unnecessary background apps that may interfere with syncing. When you follow these steps methodically, your wallet should begin syncing normally again. Remember, syncing issues are common and usually fixable without much hassle. Keep your private keys safe throughout these processes, as they are vital to accessing your crypto assets. And never share them. The key to maintaining a healthy wallet sync is regular updates and monitoring your network condition. Thanks for watching and following these steps for a seamless cryptocurrency experience.